Call him the Wolfman. This is for real. It's not some circus stunt. Shaun Ellis actually lives, eats and sleeps with the wolves. It's an extraordinary experiment. Most scientists stand back and watch, but Shaun's in there, teeth and all, learning how to communicate with these wild animals.
Everybody's going to think some guy that lives in here with these guys for 18 months, shares their world, shares their food, is going to be crazy. And maybe they're right. Maybe you do have to have an element of craziness in you to do this.
Shaun's experiment is taking place in the most unlikely location, an animal park in the sleepy west of England.